Hello everyone, myself Ashwini. Today I am going to explain the task number 6, prediction using the decision algorithm. The level is intermediate, given by the Spark Foundation, allotted as an intern in this Spark Foundation. Dataset is given in this URL. This is the iris dataset. Prediction using the decision tree algorithm. The task is to create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. And the purpose is, if we feed any new data to the classifier, it would be able to predict the right class accordingly. The task is, we have given the sample of iris dataset flower to train the algorithm, and purpose is, we feed the new data to the classifier, it would be able to predict the right class accordingly. Now we start importing a few libraries. Firstly, we are going to import the pandas as PD and matplotlib as pyplot as PLT to visualization purpose. Now I am loading the iris dataset from the sklearn dataset, with sklearn having the inbuilt datasets. In this, the list of iris feature names are sepal length, sepal width, petal length and petal width. Now I am going to convert my dataset into the data frame. So I import pandas as PD and denote the df2 as pd.dataframe iris data, and columns are iris feature names. Iris feature names are these species names, and target names are these species names, and the feature names are these values in sepal length, sepal width, petal length and petal width. Now we got the data frame as given with species. I do not the next I take data species into the numerical format, because machine learning machines are able to read the numerical data more correctly. So I convert this categorical column into numerical column to get the better results. I wrote this code, so I got this data frame. Next, I calculating the information about this. These are values and in float, all are decimal values. Next, I count the value in our target traits by importing cborn as CNS, SNS, by this FASO-grid. I am going to plot my data frame into the graph by these two values, petal length and petal width. I am getting this beautiful graph. This denotes that these are blue colors are sepal, target is 0. Our target 0 means setosa. 0 is setosa, versicolor is 1 and virginica is 2. So these are the setosa class, this virginica and this versicolor. Setosa is completely different from this. So our machine can predict the correct about the setosa group. The confusion in about this versicolor and virginica. Then we model the data using the decision tree classifier. Now the decision tree algorithm. Decision tree is a flowchart like tree structure. It is a classification as well as regression task. It is so widely used. Decision tree is we know the decision tree is a supervised machine learning where labels are given how to predict the targets. It builds a flowchart like tree structure. Now I am showing this in decision tree in geeks for geeks. These are it builds a flowchart like tree structures where each internal node denotes the test on an attribute and each branch represents the outcome test. Each leaf node means terminal node holds a class label. It is constructed by recurrent splitting the training data into the subsets based on values of attribute until the stopping criteria is met, such as stopping criteria is maximum depth. We are given. In decision tree, there are various terminologies used, means root node, leaf nodes, entropy, child node, and pruning. Pruning is the process of removing branches from the tree that do not provide additional information. In our dataset, iris dataset, we are importing the decision tree classifier and criteria is entropy. Maximum rate we have given 3. You can change it by 2 or 1 and check this classifier algorithm. Now my fit the model my dataset given by iris data is my x and iris target names are my y. Target names are means class species names. Model is decision tree classifier. My model.score iris data is x and my y, giving the accuracy of 97%, means my model works well. Now we are going to predict by using our model. The expected is iris target and predicted is model.iris data. We are giving the data for prediction is iris data. So predicted is given is accurate. Now we are importing SQL from SQL import matrix, and we have go into the matrix confusion matrix. Confusion matrix giving the setosa is clearly predicted. In this Virginica we got 47 actual predictions accurate and 49 is versicolor. Now the time for visualization. For visualization we import the matplotlib as pyplot.